Turkey Rod Run, Dream Build happening. We're going to unveil it in 3, 2, 1. Unveil it. Let's hear it, folks. Here it comes. Wow. Look at that truck. Wow. Somebody is going to own it today. Somebody new is going to own it today because we're going to be auctioning it off in just about 30 minutes time. We're going to fire this thing up right now. This fire-breathing monster is going to hit, they're going to hit the key, ignition. Oh yeah! That's not your grandpa's 55. Put it out here at Daytona International Speedway and do some hot laps of that bad boy. Somebody is going to own it today. Look.
And my friend Cliff from Complete Auto Body in Maryland went way out of his way. Guys worked all night. It's insane what they did in June, July, August, September. 5 months. Amazing. And it's here. I think you got to think about what the money's for when you bid. And not much else to say. I just wish everyone would have a good time here, and I think this is a great show in general, don't you? Thank you, guys.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, all we got to do now is sell it. So here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, the sale is on. Cash out your 401k, your 403b plan, put the kids' college on hold, and let's invest in a 1955 Chevy. Fully tricked out, and there is so much more than you know. Just one thing I want to tell you before we get started. This color, to start with, this is a one-off color developed by PPG. They said they put this thing to the test, to the labs, to come up with this one color. You can't find it anywhere right now. Only after this vehicle will be sold will PPG put it in production. But right now, it's the only one this color. There are so many things here. We could go on and on about the truck. You've seen it. Hey, let's sell it. Here we go. 45, 50, I'm about to get down 50, 60, and 60. I'm about to get down 60,000. I'm about to get down 60,000. I'm about to get down 60,000, 70,000, and 70. I'm about to get down 70. I'm about to get down 60, 70,000, and 70. I'm about to get down 70,000. I'm about to get down 70,000, sir. I'm about to get down 65, 70, now 5, 75. I'm about to get down 70, now 5, 70,000 back here, 75, now 80. I'm about to get 80,000. I'm about to get 80,000, now 85, 85. I'm about to get 85. I'm about to get its only money, 80-40. Everybody can play. All it takes is money. 135, 140. I'm about to get down 140. I'm about to get down 140, 140, 145, 145. I'm about to get down 40, 145, sir. You know you want it. 145, 150. Down 145, 150, 147.5. Got it. Now 150,000. Now 150,000. I'm about to get down 147.5, 150. I'm about to get down 150. I'm about to get down 150. 152.5. 152.5. 150. 152.5. He's saying the same thing about you. If you for child's portion, are you done, Ted? He says he's done. Anybody else want in? I got 150. 151. How about to get down 151? Take it home today, baby. 151. How about to get down 151? How about to get down 150 once? $150,000 twice. All in. Hold it. What do we think? 151,000, sir? He's shaking his head no. Anybody else at 151,000? Oh, sir. I once bought a ranch that way. 151,000. Once, twice, sold. Yeah! Boom! You got yourself a 1955 Chevy, and you can take that lady home with you too, sir. You'll always get the girl with the trucks, guys. Always get the girl. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for coming out today. Turkey Rod Run. Beautiful weather, beautiful day. Thank you for being a part of it. Enjoy the rest of your day out here. And congratulations, sir. You're the new owner. Thank you so much, folks.